Let's explore what's inside the simplest cells on Earth. Hello, I am Georgia from Mentivia. Welcome to a deeper dive into the world of prokaryotic cells. These microscopic marvels are the simplest forms of life, yet they are incredibly efficient and diverse. Today, we'll unpack their essential structures and explore the vital functions each component performs, allowing these cells to thrive in almost every corner of our planet. First, let's look at the cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane. This is the crucial boundary that completely encloses the cell's cytoplasm. It's primarily composed of a phospholipid bilayer, a double layer of lipid molecules, with various proteins embedded within it. Think of it as the cell's outer skin, flexible yet robust. The cell membrane has several critical functions. Most importantly, it acts as a selectively permeable barrier, carefully controlling what substances enter and exit the cell. This is vital for maintaining the cell's internal environment, a state known as homeostasis. In many prokaryotes, the cell membrane is also the primary site for energy production, performing processes like cellular respiration and, in some cases, photosynthesis, as they lack dedicated membrane-bound organelles for these tasks. Moving inside the cell membrane, we find the cytoplasm. This is the jelly-like substance that fills the entire cell. It's a complex aqueous solution, mainly water, but also packed with salts, organic molecules like proteins and carbohydrates, and various other cellular components. It's essentially the cell's internal arena where much of the action happens. Within the cytoplasm, most of the cell's metabolic activities take place. This includes crucial processes like glycolysis, the initial breakdown of glucose for energy, and various biosynthetic pathways. It also houses the ribosomes, which we'll discuss next, and the cell's genetic material in a region called the nucleoid. The cytoplasm's turgor pressure also helps maintain the cell's shape, especially in cells with a cell wall. Scattered throughout the cytoplasm are tiny granular structures called ribosomes. These are unique among cellular components because they are not enclosed by a membrane. Prokaryotic ribosomes are slightly smaller than those found in eukaryotic cells, but their function is equally vital. The primary function of ribosomes is protein synthesis, also known as translation. Ribosomes read the genetic instructions carried by messenger RNA, or mRNA, and then assemble amino acids into functional proteins. These proteins are the workhorses of the cell, essential for virtually all cellular activities, from structural support to catalyzing chemical reactions. Without ribosomes, a cell simply cannot function. Now, let's turn our attention to the genetic material, the cell's blueprint of life. In prokaryotic cells, the main genetic material is typically a single, circular chromosome. Unlike eukaryotic cells, this DNA is not enclosed within a membrane-bound nucleus. Instead, it's concentrated in a distinct, irregularly shaped region of the cytoplasm called the nucleoid. Beyond the main chromosome, many prokaryotes also carry smaller, extrachromosomal circular DNA molecules called plasmids. These plasmids often contain genes that provide advantageous traits, such as antibiotic resistance or the ability to degrade unusual compounds. Plasmids can be readily exchanged between bacteria, contributing significantly to their adaptability and evolution. One of the remarkable aspects of prokaryotic cells is how efficiently they manage their genetic information. Transcription, the process of copying DNA into mRNA, and translation, the process of synthesizing proteins from mRNA, can occur almost simultaneously in the cytoplasm. This lack of nuclear compartmentalization allows for rapid gene expression and quick responses to environmental changes, a key factor in their evolutionary success. In summary, the prokaryotic cell, despite its apparent simplicity, is a masterclass in efficiency. Its cell membrane acts as a selective gatekeeper and energy factory. The cytoplasm is the bustling arena for metabolic reactions. Ribosomes are the tireless protein builders, and the genetic material, both chromosomal and plasmid, provides the essential blueprint for life and adaptation. These core components work in concert to ensure the survival and proliferation of these foundational life forms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out mentivaya.com for more educational content. There you'll find completely free e-learnings, videos, and articles designed to deepen your understanding across a wide range of topics. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way.